Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both intriguing and potentially risky: how to overdraft your debit card on purpose in 2025. Now, before we jump in, I want to make it crystal clear: this is for educational purposes only. Overdrafting means spending more money than you have in your account, and while it can cover unexpected expenses, it often comes with hefty fees and financial pitfalls. Let's break this down step by step so you can understand the ins and outs. First off, why would anyone do this on purpose? Maybe you're in a pinch and need to make a purchase immediately, like paying for groceries when your account is a bit short. But remember, banks have tightened regulations by 2025, so overdraft protection is more regulated than ever. Start by checking your bank's policy. Log into your mobile app or visit their website to see if overdraft is enabled. Most banks require you to opt in for this feature, as it's not automatic anymore due to consumer protection laws. Next, monitor your account balance closely. Use apps like your bank's built-in tools or third-party ones to track every transaction in real time. If you're planning to overdraft, make sure you have a way to repay it quickly, perhaps by transferring funds from another account. For example, if you know you'll be $50 short, initiate a small transaction that pushes you over the edge, but only if you're prepared for the consequences. Now, let's talk risks. Overdraft fees in 2025 can range from $30 to $50 per transaction, and if you don't cover the overdraft soon, it could lead to account closure or even affect your credit score. That's why alternatives like linking a savings account for overdraft protection or using a credit card for emergencies are smarter options. Always budget wisely to avoid this situation altogether. In conclusion, while overdrafting on purpose might seem like a quick fix, it's not a habit to get into. Use this knowledge responsibly, and prioritize building better financial habits. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.